Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from multiple videos in bulk using VideoProc converter. Let's make this super easy and quick. Ready? Let's jump right in.
First up, open your favorite web browser. Type in VideoProc converter and hit search. Find the official website. It should be at the top of the results. Click on it and download the software. Easy, right? Once your download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file to begin the installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty straightforward.
After the installation is completed, just open VideoProc Converter. Then, click on Video Converter. Drag and drop the video files from which you need to remove the audio. Now, select each video and uncheck the audio option. Do the same for all videos. Make sure the check mark is on. Finally, click Run.